Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to screen record in Samsung Galaxy A55 5G. Go in the status bar. Here you can see screen recorder. Tap on it. Here three options are provided. One is none, it means no sound will be recorded. Other one is media. It means if you play any music or video during the recording, it will record it. The third one is media and mic. It means your media and voice will be recorded at the same time. I am selecting media. Start recording. As you can see, my recording is started. Here you can see the panel. You can simply hide it and unhide it by simply doing like this. This is pencil. You can simply mark around anywhere, and from here you can select any color, like I am selecting red for marking, like this. Again tap on pencil. Here this option is for front camera. As you can see, my front camera is also recording. Tap again on front camera to stop, and this option is for pause the video recording. As you can see, my video recording is paused, and the last option is for save the video recording. As you can see, my video recording is saved. Let's go in gallery and play it. This is how you can record your screen in Samsung Galaxy A55 5G. If this video helps you, please like this video and subscribe the channel.